Hey guys, today we're going to make fruit salad! And the ingredients are oranges, is already cut in half, and watermelon, orange squeezer, blender, sorry, mango, spoon, mango, mayonnaise, mango, and of course all the fruit that you wanna add to your fruit salad. Can you get that now? And sugar. I get it. Okay, so the first step is we need to squeeze all the oranges with the, of course, oranges squeezer. All of it, okay?
Ooh, and how many are the oranges, madam?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cut in half.
1, 2,
Which means
3.
it's 10.
Okay, this is the thing we're gonna add to our salad, and it's pear and mango and watermelon and melon.
Guys, we already squeezed the oranges, and now we're going to open the blender. All of it, right?
Yeah.
And put this milk sachet. One sachet. I put milk. Just cut it with a scissor, okay, guys? Careful. All of it.
Yeah.
Pour it all.
Who doesn't know that?
Somebody might be.
And who does?
And sugar. We put 3 teaspoons of sugar. Like this.
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3.
I'm gonna mix the fruit salad.
Can I put it here? Okay.
Gimme.
Finish. And now the mayonnaise. I think it's all of it.
Yeah. Enough.
Okay, that's enough. Maybe you can just add it whatever you want, but not too much. And we will go blend. Yep, blend it. Wait, I forgot the water.
Yeah.
I forgot the water. The water.
Stop. No.
Let's close it. As tight as you can.
You must get it ready for the blend.
Blend it. Then blend it.
You can never have too much.
Okay, now time to pour
The 2 eggs.
No, we don't. That's a fake egg, guys.
I know.
Let's pour this.
I use it for the egg.
And
Stir it.
stir it. And the fruit salad is ready to serve. You can eat it.
With some cheese. And this is the end of the video. We're making fruit salad this video today. And see you next time.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share this video so we have a lot of viewers, guys. And tell.